Hey you guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll actually be doing a product review on two very popular products that I actually use in my nighttime skincare routine. So these are the two products. The first product is the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. And the second product is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. So I've been using both products for approximately 4 months. I know that these products are very popular right now, and there's a lot of questions as to whether or not these products work, especially for the price. And since I've been using it for a while now, I'm just going to share with you guys my experience. So first, I'm going to be talking about the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. If you're planning to use these products together, it's recommended that you use this first and then the Good Genes Serum. So this is a retin oil, which ultimately means that it smoothens out the skin, it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This oil is also really good for cell production and allows your skin to produce more collagen. One of the reasons why I really like this oil is because it's blue oil and it includes chamomile, which is very common to the skin, so it decreases the appearance of redness and it also helps to brighten your skin. So after I'm done putting on my night oil, I just put on top the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Now because this is a lactic acid, I put whatever acne product I'm using on top of this serum because the lactic acid actually helps absorb whatever product you put on top of it. Now I've been using both products for 4 months, and I must admit that when I first started to use the lactic acid, I did myself sense a very strange scent. But to be honest, after 4 months, I no longer smell this product. Now, depending on how sensitive your skin is, this product just might sting. I know that when I first started using it, I did have a stinging sensation, but I just adjusted the amount of product that I used, and now I do not have that issue. Now, because this product does increase the cell turnover time, it's going to definitely brighten your skin. It's going to diminish any dark spots that you have on your skin. This is one of the very few products that I can honestly say shows results within the next day. Now, I purchased the set, which is about 0.5 fluid ounces, and it's going to run you about $85 if you purchase it at Sephora. Each product does come in a bigger size, but I believe it's going to cost you starting around $100 a piece. I was dealing with a lot more acne scars at the time, and I do credit these products for helping me with that texture and also diminishing those dark spots and ultimately brightening my skin. So I do really like both of the Sunday Riley products. I would recommend them. I really hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!